the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from AIO creators.
So hey guys, what's up? Guys, this is the part 2 in the series of My Band 4, and if you have not seen the part 1, I'll just leave a link in the description so you can go and watch it now. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please go and subscribe it now. Till then, let's continue the video. So guys, as you can see, this is the home interface of the MiFit app, and at the top you have a MI branding. And at the top right, as you can see, you have a plus icon. So if you click over it, you will get 4 options, which is the band, watch, scale and smart shoes. So guys, you know that even MI sells shoes, scales and even smart shoes. So if you have any MI product related to this, you can even connect those products of MI to a single app. So guys, how cool is that? You need not download n number of apps and fill your mobile storage by downloading many apps for each and every product. So now let's directly go to the status panel and home interface to go to the next features. So guys, as you can see, just below the MiFit branding you have 4 options. This is the status, walking, running and cycling. So we'll come to the status later. First let's go to the remaining 3. So if you do any workout related to walking, running or cycling, and if you want to keep a track over it, you can use these options. For example, if I click over walking, I'll get a map and a go option. So if I click over go through the map, I'll get a data of routes I have covered and the calories burned, the distance traveled and whatnot. The same thing can be done with running and cycling. So now let's come to the status panel, and I'll tell you what things you do get in the status panel. So guys, as you can see, just below the status panel I have some numbers. So guys, actually there are the number of steps you have walked, and even it says today's goal completed. So guys, my goal was set up to 2000 steps and I have completed 2000 steps. So it says today's goal completed. And now if I go inside the option, as you can see, it says the distance I have traveled, the calories burned, and after that it shows you the activity, number of activity performed in a day. So it says the number of activity of today is 3. So I have done slow walking between the time of 6 p.m. to 6 again, maybe 4 to 5 minutes, and again after that from 4 maybe 4 to 5 minutes again, and then it says some light activity. So if you even do some workout, it even show you that. So now if you go further in it, it shows you the activity in last 30 days. So guys, actually this is the activity you performed in a month. So if you wear the watch daily, it will show you the activities you have even performed in a month. For example, it says the average steps you have traveled, the average distance you covered, the average fuel saved and even the fat burnt. So guys, if you go further into the features, you have a thumbs up icon. So guys, as you can see, even here the thumbs up icon is blue color. So why have you kept the thumbs up icon in grey color? Please go and make it in blue color. Like the video now. So guys, if you open the history option, it will show you the data of the steps you have walked in the past. So if you want to keep a track over the steps you have walked in the past, this is a really helpful option. So for example, if you want to check the number of steps, the number of calories I had burnt on 5 May, if I just drag the bar graph to 5 May, it will show me that I had traveled 4000 steps and the calories burnt were 84 and the distance traveled was something around 2.75 km and the time I was active was 1 hour and 28 minutes. So guys, this is also a helpful feature if you want to keep track over the activities you perform in a day. So guys, next option is about the sleep. So guys, this feature tracks your sleep and it's recommended to wear the band when you go to sleep. So guys, actually it tracks your sleep and tells you about the deep sleep, light sleep and the awake time. So guys, one of the most important thing to stay healthy is to sleep healthy. So guys, even at the bottom, as you can see, it says that sleep is one of the most important behavior of biological life, sustaining the activities. So guys, at the top you can see it tells you about the sleep time and etc. through a bar graph, and down as you can see it tells you about some tips which you can use to have a good and better sleep. So guys, the next feature is about the weight. So guys, to set up the weight in the app, you just need to click on the weight option and click on add weight, and you need to set up your weight. And then as you know, it calculates your calories burned. It will even calculate how much weight you have increased or you have decreased according to the calories you have burned. And guys, your age is above 18, you can even calculate your BMI. Yes guys, you heard it right, you can even calculate your BMI through this app. And it even says that your health refers to the weight you have increased or decreased. So guys, through this it will even tell you whether you are healthy or not. And you have increased or decreased your weight in a short span, it will tell you that how much weight you have increased or decreased in a short span in your watch directly. So guys, now let's go to the next feature. So guys, as you can see, the next option is about the streak. So guys, if you need to keep an eye on the steps you have walked previously, you can just come to this option. So guys, it will show you the steps you have walked through a graph, and I don't know what is the name of the graph. If you know, just comment down below. And now let's go to the friends option at the bottom. So guys, this is the friend option. There is nothing to say more about it. So if any of your friends have any MI product, and if they also have the MI app, you can stay connected with them by scanning the QR code and by giving them the ID, which will be provided by the company when you scan the QR code. So guys, as you can see at the top, I have my profile. So if I need to change my profile photo or my name, nickname, my weight, etc., I just need to click over here and I can change everything. So except the ID, I can change everything over here. And guys, you can even change your weight, height, date of birth, etc. except the ID. So now let us go to the main options of MI Band 4. So guys, before going to the main options for the MI Band 4, let us go to the more section. So guys, as I told you in the starting of the video, I kept my goal as 2000 for the steps. So if you want to change your goal of the steps, you can click on the set goal, activity goal, and you can change your goal. So it starts from 2000 and it ends at 30,000. So that's more than enough for us. And you just need to click on OK. So now let us directly jump into the main settings of MI Band 4. So guys, as you can see, first it shows you the percentage of battery discharge and the last charge when you are done. So I charged my battery last 4 days ago, so it shows that the battery was charged last 4 days ago. And guys, you need to change the device which you are using, such as I am using the MI Band 4. You just need to click on the top right option, which is a pen and paper, and you can just change the name of the device which is connected with the app. So next we have the band display settings. So if you click on the band display setting, you will get many online bands. So, and even you can make custom bands, and then you have my bands. So here you can keep some saved band which you like a lot, and whenever you want, you can change the interface of your watch through this. So if you even want a video how to change them, just comment down below. I'll make a video even on that. So guys, next you have the unlock screen. So guys, over here, this is a option where you can just lock your phone through this, and then if you want to open your phone and if a band is connected, you need not put the password again and again, and you can open the phone directly. So guys, even this is a really helpful feature if you want to save the time which you are wasting only to put the password again and again when your phone screen gets turned off. So guys, the next feature is about the incoming call. So guys, most of you, when you are driving and somebody puts a call on your phone, it's really difficult to remove the phone and decline the call while you are driving. So guys, through this watch, that work becomes really easy. So guys, whenever somebody calls you, you can just directly decline the call through the watch. So guys, even this is a really helpful feature which saves your time and even saves your life while you are driving, and you need not talk while driving. So guys, next about the event reminder. So guys, according to the name itself, you can understand that it reminds about your events you need to perform. So guys, you need to mark, like if you need to watch TV between 12 to 1, you can set up the time and type in it that watch TV, and you can set up the time at 12. So when you're wearing the watch, automatically when it's 12 o'clock, the watch rings and reminds you to watch TV now. So guys, it's a really helpful feature, so you can make a whole timetable of the day, what activity you need to perform. So guys, next is alarm feature. So here you can just set up your alarms and the watch will start vibrating whenever the time you have set on the alarm. But guys, I don't use this personally because the watch does not vibrate that vigorously to break your sleep off. So guys, next is the app alert. So guys, for example, if I enable this app alert with my WhatsApp, whenever I get any WhatsApp message, the watch will vibrate and I can directly read the message from the watch, and it saves a lot of time, guys. And as you know, the whole watch supports touch screen. You can read the whole message, whether how much long it may be. But you can't see any photos over here, guys. You can only read the message received. At the top, you'll get the name of the person who have sent this message. So let's go to the next feature. So guys, next is the ID alert, guys. So actually, this is a fitness band. So whenever you are sitting at the same place for more than 1 hour, it makes an alarm that it's sedentary and you're sitting at the same place for more than 1 hour. So you need to perform some exercises or maybe some warm up to keep yourself fit. And guys, you can even set up the start time and end time, so it won't disturb you from this between the time which you have set up. So this is a really helpful feature if you need to stay fit. So guys, next we have the find band feature. So guys, if your band is lost somewhere, you can just click on this find band feature to get your band, and if you click on it, the band will start to vibrate vigorously, so you can find your band out. So guys, the next feature is about the activity heart sharing. So guys, when you measure your BPM with it, the other smart devices nearby you would get this data if you turn it on. So guys, the next feature is about the band location. So guys, to get the BPM perfect, you can just select whether you are wearing the watch in the left hand or the right hand to get the perfect BPM. So guys, the next feature is about the night mode. So guys, whenever your sun sets in your areas, you can just set up the time between like maybe from 7 o'clock to next day 7 o'clock when the sun rises. So guys, turning it on would make the brightness of the band less at the time you have settled. So actually at night you do not require a very high brightness to see the watch. So this will help you a lot to save the life of the watch. Next we have the find band ringtone. So guys, if you need to find your phone, as I told you in the previous video, you can even find your phone. If the MI gives you a ringtone, and even if you need to have any other ringtone such as a phone ringtone in it, you can even set up that. So guys, next we have some general settings such as the display settings, vibration, weather settings in the lab. So guys, if you need to set up a password in the watch, and if you need to save a watch from the theft, you can just click on lab and set up some password to your watch. So guys, as I told you, the watch starts vibrating when you receive any message or if you get any call on your phone. So that time you can even make your own type of vibration, such as maybe a vibration which lasts up to 3 to 4 seconds, or maybe only 1 second vibration. So that is up to you how and what type of vibration do you need. So now let's go to the next feature. So guys, as I told you in my previous video, this watch also tells you the data of weather. So if you need to change the place where you live, you can just click on the weather settings option and change the place where you live. So guys, these are all the options in the MiFit app, and if you want to download this app, I'll just leave a link in the description so you can go and download it now. So guys, as you can see the top right, there are some images of screen guards. So guys, these are the screen guards which you can put on your MI Band 4 to keep it resistant from scratches. And if you need to buy them, I just leave a link in the description so you can go even buy them. And guys, these stickers are only supported for MI Band 4 and you can't use them in any other band. And guys, I will tell you one additional app which you can even download to get some more interfaces of the watch or some more home screen or wallpaper for the watch. Guys, the name of the app is MI Band 4, and if you need some more interfaces of the watch, you can even download this app to get some more interfaces. And if you need to know how to use this app, just comment down below. I'll make a detailed video even on that. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below how was this video and on what topic should we make the video next. And even don't forget to download the MI Band 4 app. Till then, bye.